The whole problem started since yesterday. Is it yesterday? It's on the second, which was yesterday now. Sure? Wednesday. The whole problem started from yesterday. Now, this market was not supposed to, do this yesterday, but this is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong according to market structure. Are you getting it? Now, see what happened. When we had that, what's it called? Price reduction from 1970. I told you we were going to 1972, 1970 to 1975. So when we got there, let me use the tool so that it will be clean. When we got there, gold was already weak. Are you getting it? Gold was already weak, and we are having these. Are you getting it? Then they changed your character. Came back to supply. Gold immediately switched bearish. So we're not even supposed to break below this again. If gold, we were just supposed to do a fake out and continue going, but gold is finding it hard to get that particular fake out right now. Are you getting that? That's the best gold behavior I know, and that's the best gold behavior everybody know. So right now, if you don't reclaim back this fake out and break above and continue, as in break above, retest this particular support that gold normally does, goes in trouble. Are you getting it? That's why you're seeing what is happening right now. So you cannot buy at anything less than 1944. If you buy now, you are just cashing a falling knife, because gold is massively bearish. It's been long I waited, as in I've seen this. If I had known that we will not complete a head and shoulders pattern, probably I would have left my sell from 1970. What you are seeing right now is struggle, heavy struggle. Are you getting it? And you can't be, you can't be involved in this, because gold is, you can see the way it's fighting. If it's a human being self, you see that the person is drowning. Are you getting it? You can't be involved in this kind of price action. So what you do now is that always bring in this your 20 and 50 EMA into your chart. It will help you. You can see that gold is finding it hard to break the 1 hour 20 and will cross bearish from here. Are you getting it? And it's finding it hard to cross. You can see the price action that is driving it down. So I'm selling instead of buying right now, but it's nonsense for me to even do anything. So, and tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is interest rate. Is he interested, or what's it called? Gold still wants to go down. Let's go to the 4-hourly chart that is even clearer. Are you getting it? According to the 4-hourly chart safe, we've not gotten to 0.618. So probably it's trying to come to 0.618 at 1928 or 19. This is the only place you need to start buying. Okay, we're even there already safe. So hold on. Gold is coming to, this is just, if gold does not do this kill zone and continue, we're in trouble. So I would rather just not enter a sniper. I want us to recollect this 1944, then continue going. That's the only way I'm buying. Are you getting? But for now, if gold fails and continues bearish pressure is happening right now, just know that the market is going to 1880. Are you getting? The entire market is going to 1880. That is how to look at the market. If you don't look at it that way, and you are just looking at the, you are using emotions and looking at only the bearish buyers, are you getting it? You might just get stopped out. So right now, as it stands right now, if this is a bearish market, we're going to 1850. 1880 first take profit, 1850. Remember, I've been talking about this 1880, and when we were coming down, we didn't come to it. So are we going to come down? This is just price. This is just market structure for you, bro. That's why I'm not buying, because this market even needs to come back and break above it for us to have a complete head and shoulders pattern. So a lot of people will not buy until 1980 breaks to the upside. Also, many investors will not buy. That's why you're not seeing any bulls in the market right now. Are you getting it? That's why you're not seeing any bulls in the market right now. So is the market coming to 1880? To me, if I was in this trade since I held my 1970, what's it called? I didn't leave around 1940, because I sold from 1970 to 1940. I still have that position on. I think I would have left it. Are you getting it? I would have left it to see if we'll come to 1880 to 1851. But as it stands right now, if this 1930 to 1940 support fails, trust me, just leave your sell. If you're in a position of a sell already, so just leave it until you get to 1880. Yes, until you get to 1880. And if gold does that, we are in trouble, serious trouble. Let me show you why. If gold does that, we are in serious trouble. That means that we're going down. If gold comes and do this ABC move to the downside to 1880 or 1850, we're in serious trouble, because we'll just, for us to recover back to this what's it called, 1930 again, will not continue going down. That's doomsday for gold. But here in the market, you don't have to apply sentiment. If you apply sentiment, you just enjoy yourself. Are you getting? So whatever we're expecting right now, it's a demand zone because it's support, but are we gonna have it? That's the question, because we still have the news tomorrow coming up, and that news is disaster. Look at the what's it called, even the daily is turning bearish. Look at my 20 and my 50 EMA. It's a very, very, very good indicator. Are you getting it? Daily, if the 20 crossed below the 50 and they start going like this, problem, that's doomsday for gold. Gold will go to 1800,000 area. So this is the difference between the upside and the downside. So at least let's today close as a doji indecision. Are you getting it? Between this area, let it close as indecision, so that let's know if tomorrow what's it called, fundamentals can at least recover, go to back to 1940 before we start buying again. Without that, bro, just wait. We don't FOMO. Your capital is the most important thing. If we can recover 1944, we are back in this market. But for now, except you want to enter from 1930 to 1935, then use probably a 50 pip stop loss. Don't think that gold will come back and do what's it called, forget this demand, forget that demand, forget that particular demand. Are you getting it? Because if this was a demand, that means that we're supposed to break above, changing character to the upside, then come down back to demand. So if you don't look at how structure is built and you just want to follow up because this that, it's dangerous. Are you getting it? That's dangerous. So from here right now, I'm waiting for this demand to build. I'm waiting for whatever is happening here to break above, not just come to 1944 and come down, just break above it so that we can start going.